Let's see if we can check out the other elevator. Here's the south elevator in the Magnolia Street parking deck. See, it's got 2 doors. Number 4. So similar door close button does not work. Let's look out the window. This one's a side window rather than a back window. See if this one gets confused. Back down to the lobby. Let's get a cab view. There's your ceiling, your window, the floor. There's your wall, indicator, fixtures, and your back door. We'll look out the window the rest of the way down. Now we're descending into the basement for this elevator because its street level is on 1. Yep, it's confused. There it goes. Now it's time to go to the next parking garage.